PK Porchkill, PK Network. So we back on the Just Now Begin, Kutaroka from Babylon. Most will call it America. Here's I'm passing another company with that smoke. Y'all wonder why it's foggy? It's for entertainment purposes only, but you can see that building puffing that smoke right there. Don't act like y'all don't see that building puffing that smoke right there. Let me see if I can zoom in for you. Y'all see that? Look at how that smoke is connected to the sky and doing all of that. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit more for you. That smoke puffing. So imagine, you guys are asleep for fucking 8 hours and this thing has just been puffing every night. Y'all remember to like, subscribe, PK Porchkill. That smoke puffing, that's why it's foggy. If you're in the firmament or a dome, it's filling up quick like a globe. And